Hello students, yesterday we have done the ray diagram of the concave mirror. We have considered the 6 ray diagrams of the different position in which the object were kept and the different position of the images which were formed. Now today we are doing the numerical which are based on the concave mirror. First, before starting you must be familiar with the sign convention of the concave mirror. Now we have seen that in the concave mirror the object is always kept towards the left hand side, the image also forming the left hand side only in the one case when the object is kept between the F and P. When the object is kept between F and P, the image which is forming, it is behind the mirror, it is virtual and the erect. Otherwise in all the cases the image and the object both are on the same side. The focus is also towards the left hand side. So in each and every case U, V and F will be considered as negative because they are on the left side of the mirror. The image when it is kept between F and P, it will forming in this side. So in that case the object distance focus will be considered as negative, but the image when it is kept between F and P will be considered as the negative because it is on the right hand side. Okay, so before starting the numerical we should know the what is the meaning of the what is the mirror formula, the 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 upon U. Now here you have to consider, you have to know what is this symbol represent. F is the focal length here, V is the image distance and U is the object distance. Now in the diagram if you see, this is the focus. So the distance from the mirror, this focus, this will be called as, this distance is called as the focal length. The length from the focus to the pole of the mirror, it is called as the, if we consider this point it is called as the, this is the P point. Okay, so the distance between the focus and this pole, that is called as then focal length. This is the focal length. The object is kept, suppose we are considering it is beyond C, so distance of this object to the mirror, it is called, it is denoted by U, it is object distance. If suppose if we consider when it was beyond C, it is forming between F and C, so the object which is here and the, we see that this image, it is the distance between the image and this mirror, it is represented by V. So V, it is the image distance. So what we are considering here, U is the object distance, F is the focal length and V from the mirror, it is the image distance. Okay, so whenever the numerical is there of the concave mirror, you have to remember that whether the object is the, whether the image it is forming toward the left hand side or towards the right hand side. If it is in the left hand side, then all U, V and F will be considered as negative, and if it is on the right hand side, the image is forming on the right hand side, then U and F will be considered as negative, but the image will be forming here will be considered as the positive. So let's do the numerical so that it will be more clear to you what is the sign convention and how we can solve the numerical based on the concave mirror. Now the question number 1 we are considering, find the size, nature and position of image formed when an object of size, okay, we have to find out size, okay, size of the image, nature and position of the image when an object of size 1 centimeter, this is the size of the object, it is the height of the object, it is placed at a distance. At a distance means from the mirror the distance of the object is given as 15 centimeter. From which mirror? Concave mirror, of focal length 10 centimeter. So when we apply the sign convention, we have seen that it is a concave mirror and we have to find out the size, nature, position of image when an object of 1 centimeter. So we can write here H equal to 1 centimeter. U, it is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from the concave mirror. It means if we consider this diagram, this is the mirror and this object which we are keeping here, it is at the 15 centimeter from me. It means U it is given, and since it is on this left hand side, so this U will be considered as the negative. Okay, so U equal to minus 15 centimeter, F equal to minus 10 centimeter, because the focal length of the concave mirror is also towards the left hand side. Height is the 1 centimeter. Okay, you have to calculate the image distance and the height of the image. Now the first point you have to consider, that is the position of image. We write the mirror formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 upon u. So when you separate the 1 by v, it would be 1 by f and minus sign would be there, minus 1 by u. Okay, now we substitute the values. F, it is given as minus 10 centimeter, so we'll write 1 upon minus 10. Then we'll put the minus 1 by u. Okay, it is the value of the u, it is minus 15, so you will be writing minus 1 by 15. So minus and minus, it will become positive sign, so you will be writing minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. So you will take 30 as the LCM. Okay, here when you will be solving, getting minus 3 plus 2, so 3 plus 2 out of minus 3 and 2, so you will do difference, you will be getting the minus 1 by 30. Now since we are getting 1 by v equal to minus 1 by 30, so we will be doing the reciprocal load, we will be getting the v equal to minus 30 centimeter. Okay, now the second part, it is asked nature of image. Okay, what is the nature of image? It would be real and inverted. How we can say? Because the image is, we are getting the minus sign here. Minus sign means it is the below the principal axis. So below the principal axis means the real and inverted image. Now the next part, it is asked, we have to calculate the size of image. How we can calculate the size of image? By the magnification formula, m equal to the ratio of the height of image to the height of object minus image distance divided by object distance. Okay, so in this case we have to calculate the height of the image. So this would be here and this h will be shifted here. So minus v by u we are writing as it is, multiply this h will be shifted here. Okay, so on putting the values, you will be getting the minus 2 centimeter. Now again the height, it is coming as minus 2, it is below the principal axis, so we can say that this height of the image, it is real and inverted image. Okay, so the main important thing in this is the sign convention. If the sign convention is clear, you can easily solve the numerical. So in the case of the concave mirror, if we see in the case of f and p, the image, it is forming the virtual and erect image. If we left that case, then in all the other cases, u, v and f, it will be considered as the negative. Only in the case of the virtual and the erect image, u and f will be considered as negative. Only the virtual image which is forming here in this side will be considered as the positive. Okay, so you have to take care when you are solving the numerical based on the concave mirror. This is the sign convention of the concave mirror. In the next we will do about the convex mirror. This is the mirror formula 1 by f, 1 by v plus 1 by u. The f, it is considered as the focal length, v, it is the image distance, and u is the object distance. Okay, so in this numerical, what we have to take care, we have to find out that what is the size of the object and size of the image. So it is written when an object of size, it means the height of the object is given as 1 centimeter. We have to calculate the height of image, we have to calculate the image distance. U, it is kept at a distance of, it means from the mirror it is kept at a distance of 15 centimeters. So we will write here minus 15. So on solving, you will be getting the result as the v equal to minus 30 centimeter and h dash you will be getting as the minus 2 centimeter. So whenever you are starting the numerical, you have to be very careful that what is the sign convention applied, and after noting carefully the sign convention, then we have to start the numerical so that you will get the correct answer. Okay.